Ngivuswa nje enye ivili abangithele kuye kagogo lo uScotten. Ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi mawukhuzwa bese uba nepride. Mawukhuzwa bese uba nepride. Ngimzwela isono bafowethu ngoba ngike ngasho last time emavidiyweni wama last year ngathi mina kuzohamba bese nengqondo iyalahleka. Ngisasho namanje umqondo kaScotten uzohamba ulahleke noma yena afuna ukuyithathela umphefumulo wakhe ngezandla zakhe. Yena uyofuna ukuyibulala yena uqobo wakhe. Manje ngiyacela bafowethu ukuthi asike siba abantu esizomkhulekisa kakhulu, simncengise. Abona idlozi lizokushaya bafowethu, lokushaya idlozi. Ngibila nkulu umkhulu lapha enikhona bafowethu, ngicela bafowethu simncengiseni gogo khona omkhulu man. Ayibuyele emasisweni, otherwise sizokhuluma enye into engathi iyajula kancane. Namanye lento le ngiyikhulumela nje ngiphakathi esibayeni ngithi nje no ake ngiyikhulumele esibayeni mhlawumbe uzongizwa kahle. No ngiyacela bafowethu kunento ezohamba bese iyabhimba kakhulu kulo gogo lo cause kune pride ekumele isuke kuye bese aba umuntu awukwazi ukuhamba into zika Kristo mara la usasemanzi naye. Awusindisiwe yabona ngiyekelana ukusindiswa ngoba ukusindiswa ngathi kuyanidida. Phumani nje kusindisweni ngoba anikwazi ukusindiswa kuyini. Awukwazi ukukhuluma lezi zinto ayikhuluma manje kuleya video abangitheke kuyo ukuthi indoda yakhe uyilobolile yena wayegundwa amashishi mara umuntu oyibona again ukukhuluma kanjalo ningazodlala ngathi. So into engiyicelayo Scotten, le ngqondo izohamba. Zama ukushintsha mfowethu, ulungisa izinto zakho la wone khona. Hamba ucela into ethelelo, hamba ucela uxolo, beka ipride phansi, uhamba ucela uxolo, otherwise uzobhubha omkhulule.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Gogo Scotten, lamalanga guys, I don't know, people are really concerned about her ukuthi right. Ever since anamtheka ukuthi she's no longer isangoma, so repentile, so sindisiwe, hayi cha uvele waya from like better to worse, because now thuka abantu kuma live abatshela ukuthi yena wanika umuntu imali wamlobola nonde bekamgunda kungalesikani pregnant. You guys ukhuluma into with this nugs, and people are saying ukuthi for umuntu lo to repentile usindisiwe yena, so wathi Jesu lethu lati khuluma kule kade make sense adikho right nje adikhombisi ukuthi umuntu losindisiwe luhambana uNkulunkulu luhambana Jesu. So lo but lona keep a video lapha ku TikTok warning gogo Scotten ukuthi utawusangana la ingqondo makuthi akalungisi nje into yakhe ngendlela lefanele, because siyambona ukuthi soyaqala sediyamshiya ke no, and it's not the first time kuphuma prophecy lefana nale kuphuma prophecy khupha ngilomnye umfundisi, and now ikhishwa ngilesangoma lesi siyashoka ukuthi she must really be careful nebantu labaduze naye kufanele ukuthi bamsite, and people are really concerned about her. Nokubona nje like even my comments ma live, people is ask her ukuthi alright uthakiwe yini, you drunk. So people are really concerned about the well-being of Gogo Scotten, because people feel ukuthi there's something going on in her, like she's going through the most mhlambe akafuni ukukhuluma, but kukhona nje into lengahambi kahle ngaScotten. This is not the Scotten that we know, this is not the Scotten that we are used to, and people are seeking help for uScotten. But if muntu angadiboni nanenkinga, then how can you help umuntu langafuni kusitagala umuntu ladibona alright anganankinga? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. So goodbye.